Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the first lesson in science, 4th standard. The lesson's name is Our Body. Let us see about internal organs. What are internal organs? Body parts that are inside the body which cannot be seen. For example, stomach, lungs, heart, kidney. These are all organs which cannot be seen. They are all called as internal organs. In this lesson, we are going to see brain, lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys, bones and muscles. Let us first discuss about the brain. So do you all know what is a brain? Brain is one of the most important parts in our body. It is one of the most important internal organs. It is the commanding center of our body. It helps to control all the actions performed by our body. When you think about any action, automatically the body parts will respond and perform the actions. So the brain, if you see, it has three main parts. In this diagram, you can see what are the three main parts: the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. Actions like moving our hands, sitting, or walking all are controlled by the brain. Next, let us see about lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy, sac-like organs located in the chest. So, where are the lungs located? The lungs are located in the chest. And the lungs always come in a pair. A pair means two parts. What is the main function of a lung? The lung helps us to breathe. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen from the air. We take in oxygen through the nose and we pass it to the lungs. The lungs, when it takes in oxygen, it will become big. And when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. So when we breathe in oxygen. And when we breathe out carbon dioxide. And when we breathe out, the lungs will become small. So when we breathe in, the lungs will become big. And when we breathe out, the lungs will become small. Next, we are going to see about stomach. So have you all seen the shape of the stomach here? It is in the shape of J. So stomach is a J-shaped bag. It is found below the lungs. It helps to break down the food which we eat. It contains a special juice which helps to break down the food. After breaking down the food, it converts the food into energy. Heart. Heart is the pumping organ in the body. What does it pump? The heart pumps blood and it pumps blood to all the parts of the body. It lies in between the lungs and it is made up of muscles. In this picture, we can see a bean-shaped organ. So this bean-shaped organ is called as kidney. So we have two kidneys. So these come in a pair. The kidney helps to purify the blood by filtering the excess water and unwanted toxins and waste in the body. Bones and muscles. So you all know what are bones. You press your arm, the portion that feels hard to touch is called the bone and the one which feels very soft to touch is called the muscles. So bones are very hard and the muscles are very soft in comparison. The bones give us shape. They are the frame for our body and they allow us to jump, run or even just lie down. The bones also protect the internal parts like the stomach, the heart and the lungs from getting injured. Muscles are the soft parts that cover the bones. They help us to move different parts of our body by tightening or loosening like a rubber band. Even when we stretch also, the muscles help in stretching the body. In order to maintain healthy bones, we need to have healthy meals. So what are the healthy food we have to eat? We have to eat food like milk, cheese and egg. For strong muscles also, we have to do a lot of exercises and we have to stay active. Okay children, let us review what we saw in this class. In this class, first we saw what are internal organs. So what are the internal organs? Organs which cannot be seen and which are inside our body are called as internal organs. So what are the organs we saw in this class? We saw brain, lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys, bones and muscles. So brain is the commanding center. It controls the body. Lungs help us to breathe in and breathe out oxygen and carbon dioxide. Stomach helps us to digest our food and breaks down the food and converts it into energy for the body. Heart helps us to pump blood to all the parts of the body, so it is called the pumping organ. Kidneys help to purify the blood and it removes extra water or excess water and toxins from the body. Bones give us proper frame and structure. Muscles are coated on top of the bones and they also help in stretching and tightening of the muscles. In the next class, we will see about external organs. Thank you.